Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's Maria Nairobi. For all the ones that's returning, thank you. And all my new babes, hey girl, hey. Alright y'all, so this was going to be a relatively quick video. I'm actually outside because it's beautiful in Philly. I'm so happy that the weather is breaking. Happy spring. And I'm actually going to be creating my own laundry detergent. So I saw like a lot of different posts about different things that people was using, and I'm all about the baddie on a budget, and detergent is just way too expensive. I like the Ultra Pods by what is it, by Tide, and then I like the the Ultra Beads. I think is that by Dow or Dove, I forget, but that's like 18, and then the pods I get is probably like 20 to 30. It's just expensive. So I keep hearing this. I think the Latin community, they do a lot of the powder and stuff. So yeah. And if you're wondering about my hair, this is a V-part unit from Amazon. I think the brand was Wosama. But let's just get right into this, y'all. This one, these are all from Dollar Tree, and these are basically just the fragrance boosters, the softeners. And then I got this small in there. Then I got this, which is the Ariel Detergent. And then I got this, which is the Zote. And then I got this, which is Roma. I don't know what any of this stuff is for real. But hold on, I got more stuff. Alright y'all, so I forgot to say, I did purchase this from Family Dollar. And the three things over here, they're all, I guess, detergents and scent boosters. They're all from Family Dollar as well. These beads are all from the dollar store or Dollar Tree. And then I got this for the Zote. This is from Dollar Tree. I got another one of these. This is also from Dollar Tree. And this is the Roma, or Aroma. Another Zote. And it just say this is pink Zote. Zote is a high quality laundry soap and can be confidently used for washing your family clothes. Hold on. And then I got this is the Family Dollar line of Oxy. This is a dupe for Arm & Hammer. Alright. So I actually just got done shredding it. It was a lot. So I actually just got done. I'm going to use it on my clothes, and then I'm gonna let you guys know how it is. They did say that when you use this, put it at the bottom of the washer and then pile your clothes on top. If you put it on top of your clothes, they said it's going to not disintegrate, I guess, but it's not going to clean your clothes. They do say like these type of concoctions should last you months. So, and it was all affordable products, all from Dollar Tree and Family Dollar, and you probably could purchase it from like Walmart, Target as well, and Amazon. And yes, so I'll be back once I get my first load. All right, y'all, so I'm actually about to do a load. So, well, no, I actually just did a load, and the smell was okay. I feel like it looked definitely clean. I checked the clothes, it looked clean, but I feel like it could be a little more, like, I do like heavy softener. So what I'm going to do is actually add some softener to my little concoction. But the good thing is the clothes are clean. I just feel like since I used the dollar store, it really wasn't as fragrant as I really needed. But so I'm using like 2 of these per load, which I'm probably overdoing it, but I do a lot. So, and then I'm just gonna follow up with this much like softener beads, and you want to put that in first. So let me. So you want to put that in first, and then you're gonna load the clothes. So all right, y'all, so I think this will probably complete the video. Hopefully y'all learned something. Like I said, when I do this again, or honestly I'm just going to add some more softener beads to the concoction, and they're saying that this should last me like 3 to 6 months depending on like how many loads. It's really just me and my daughter, and I spent under $20, so I think this is going to be a win-win. It's an alternative, especially when you're a baby on a budget. All right, babes, make sure you subscribe. Let me know in the comment section, is there anything I can add? If you did this before, does it really work? I think it works. But let me know in the comment section. All right, babes, see you in the next video. Bye.